Hi, Creekland bass players. This is a video for tangents for strings for 7th grade. I wrote a few things in and then we're going to go ahead and play it a little bit under tempo at quarter note equals 120. A few things to notice before we start the bowing in 25 and 26. You're just going to change to an up bow anytime. It's a staggered bowing during those 8 beats, so you don't want to change at the same time as the rest of your section, so it just sounds like one full note for 8 beats. And then do not lift your bow after measure 50 because 51 does start up bow. I know you're going to want to lift your bow, so just a reminder not to do that. And then we're going to go to half position for the last note, the D sharp of measure 56. So if you find that in your score, I'm going to bring the camera up here. So here is your E on the D string, and then we're going to move up to half position. So our first finger can play that D sharp, and then that would put our second finger on the red tape notes. So we're going to play second finger E, and then we're going to play second finger B, and then we have open E, so we can stay in half position until the end there, okay? All right, so here's our metronome. You can go ahead and either air bow along, pizzicato, or silent finger until you're ready to play along. Ready? Set your posture, set your bow. Sorry, I have a cello bow. I'm missing my bass bow here, so excuse the bad sounds here. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and... Measure 10, 2, 3, 4. Tune there. Also, make sure you're holding that tie across measure 53 and 54. So it's going to get beat 4 in measure 53 and beat 1 in measure 54. Let's start at 51 to the end one more time. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and... crescendo. If I have a bass bow, I will come back and remake this video. And there's a shift in measure 20. I just want to go over that spot one time before we close out the video. So let's start at 19, that's up bow, and we're going to play until 27, okay? So we're basically just shifting to second position up to that C natural, okay? Just for the one note. 19. Ready? 1, 2, 19, and... Okay, so at 27, you just have to make sure that you are ready to go down bow and use a full fast down bow. So maybe I would probably change my bow earlier than I did because I was not quite ready on time. So change it maybe on beat 3 of measure 25. Kind of depends how fast you're driving your bow right there on those tied whole notes. So a practice spot would just be like measure 20, going from the A to the C. Okay, see if you can do that 3 times. A, C, okay, and practice getting good at that shift. Other than that, it's mostly a lot of rhythms and then that little bit of shifting at the end and lots of dynamics in there. So hopefully this is a helpful video. For chair test spots, when we come back from break, I would say 51 to the end would be a great spot, and so would 19 to 27 in this song. All right, happy practice.